Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 6i and let me share with you how to enable OTG connection on this device. So firstly, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to find additional settings. Now let's scroll down again, and as you can see here, we've got the OTG connection option. So in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see right now, it is activated. Obviously, you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on this switcher, but actually you can wait for 10 minutes, because here we've got the information that the OTG connection will be automatically turned off when it won't be in use for 10 minutes. So actually this is it. This is how to enable OTG connection in your Realme 6i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.